Here we're going to solve one more equation using our graphing utility. We'd like to solve the equation negative x cubed plus 7x minus 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 3. Because we don't have everything on one side, when we go to our graphing utility, we're going to go ahead and let the left side equal y1 and the right side is equal to y2. Then we're going to find out where these two graphs cross. Since we find out where they cross, those are the points of intersection, and they'll have the same y values, and that's what we want. We want y1 to equal y2. So finding the points of intersection will get us our solutions. So we're going to go to our graphing calculator, go to our y equals screen. In y1 we enter negative. Now make sure we use the negative key here. That's next to the enter key. Don't use the minus. It's a little bit smaller than the minus sign. Negative x to the third power plus 7x minus 2. And notice the difference between the minus sign and the negative. We'll hit enter. And in y2 we want to enter the right side of our equation, x squared plus 3x minus 3. We're going to start with our standard window. So we'll do zoom 6. And we see that there are going to be 1, 2, 3 points where the two graphs cross. So we need to find 3 points of intersection. We're going to do this by going back to our calc menu, the second in calc, and here we need to use option number 5, the intersect option. We'll pick that. It says first curve, so we need to make sure the cursor is on y1. If you look at the top of our screen, we see that it says y1. It's telling us that our cursor is actually on y1. Since that's our first curve, we'll hit enter to select that. It says second curve next, and notice that at the top of the screen it says y2 now, because the calculator automatically jumps down to the next curve. So we'll hit enter to select that. For our guess, we want to scroll close to the point of intersection. We're going to start the one furthest to the left. So we'll scroll close to that point and hit enter. We get the intersection occurs when x is roughly negative 2.46. So that's our first solution, negative 2.46. We need to repeat that process for the other two intersection points. Go back to the calc menu, pick option 5. First curve, we can just hit enter. Second curve, we'll hit enter. Now for guess, we need to now scroll closer to the second intersection point. It's important to make sure that we're really close to that so that the calculator doesn't find one we've already found. Hit enter, and we'll see that the next intersection point occurs when x is roughly negative 0.24. So that's our second solution, negative 0.24. Do the exact same thing to get our third solution. Calc menu, down to intersect, first curve enter, second curve enter, and then we're going to scroll to that third intersection point and hit enter. So we see that the third intersection point occurs when x is roughly negative 1.70, and so our third solution is, positive 1.70, so our third solution is 1.70. So putting that together, our three solutions here are negative 2.46, negative 0.24, and positive 1.70.